I'm Hannah McLaren with the McLaren Real Estate Team and Trek. Today we are at 1731 13th Street Southwest at a really great apartment. We're standing on the balcony right now with a lovely little view. We're a block away from 17th Avenue, and there is an underground parking spot and additional storage that comes with this unit. So let's check it out. The kitchen has a built-in dining countertop. The bedroom has a really cool fogged glass barn door for privacy. In the living room, you've got a great gas fireplace that has been tiled in floor to ceiling. In the bathroom, you'll find a beautiful tiled, glassed-in steam shower, and there are laundry facilities in this unit. 17th Avenue Southwest here in Calgary is one of the best hotspots. It's got fantastic restaurants, entertainment, gyms, and so much more. So being here in Lower Mount Royal, just a block away, is a great spot. You can check out more information about this unit in the description below, as well as links to all of our social media, and call us here at the McLaren Real Estate Team to take a tour. Until next time, keep it real.